Enjoy your patio in all seasons with this attractive slate gray powder coat finish commercial patio heater from Amazon Basics. This 46,000 BTU heater creates wonderful warmth that is effective up to a 9-foot radius. The heater uses a standard 20-pound LP gas cylinder, which is not included with your purchase. The slate gray powder-coated finish creates a perfect companion color for the most fashionable patio decor items. This patio heater comes with a reliable piezo igniter, wheels for easy mobility, a weighted base for stability, and a tilt shutoff switch for safety. The sturdy design and commercial-grade materials enable this heater to weather the elements for years. This exciting heater from Amazon Basics is an ideal solution for any outdoor living space.
Skills on how to fire up the tabletop patio heater. Basically, one of the main things is making sure that you press in the control knob completely. Pushing in the control knob all the way down and turning the control knob to the left until it stops. Is basically what we're doing at this point is letting all the air get out of the line till you get to the top of the pilot. So you keep this held in, turn to the left, make sure it's pushed all the way in, and we're going to hit the igniter button 15 times. We get a pilot up at the top. We have a small hole where we can see the pilot. It's just at the bottom portion of the burner. Letting go of the knob will let the pilot burn. When you go to turn the patio heater on high, when you initially get a pilot, you want to let go of the knob so that the knob comes completely out. And at this point, you want to turn it to the left, making sure that it goes to high. At this point, the burner should come all the way on, and then at that point, you want to turn it down to low, and you can use desired heat at that point. The screen at the top, within 15 minutes, should turn glowing red.
Dynaglow's 48,000 BTU premium hammered bronze patio heater will create an inviting atmosphere in your outdoor living space. With 48,000 BTUs of radiant heat, your guests will stay warm and cozy. It features a wide, angled aluminum reflector panel that gives off substantial heat, a piezo ignition system that lights the unit with the turn of a knob and the push of a button, a variable temperature control, and attached wheels that allow you to move the unit easily from one area of your yard to another. It's made of sturdy powder-coated steel with a stainless steel burner and screen. This Dynaglow patio heater features a convenient LP tank storage system with an easy-to-lift handle and is backed by a 1-year limited warranty. So add warmth and comfort to your outdoor living space with the 48,000 BTU premium hammered bronze patio heater from Dynaglow.
Enjoy your patio in all seasons with this attractive mocha and wicker gas patio heater from FireSense. This heater comes with wheels for easy mobility and a tilt shutoff switch for safety. The heater uses a standard 20-pound LP gas cylinder, which is not included with your purchase. This 46,000 BTU heater creates wonderful warmth that is effective up to a 9-foot radius. The mocha powder-coated finish with all-weather wicker tank cover creates a perfect companion color for most popular patio decor items. This exciting heater from FireSense is an ideal solution for any outdoor living space. FireSense, the fire of living.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.